here she is.
Daddy?
Hmm?
Is Daddy?
What's up?
Is Daddy ladybug?
You got a ladybug on you?
Daddy ladybug?
You want Daddy to hold the ladybug?
Yes.
Why don't you hold the ladybug?
You hold the ladybug.
Your turn.
No.
Come back. Okay, I'll give it to Daddy. Come back. Give it to Daddy.
Come here, ladybug.
Daddy.
I didn't put her on you last time.
Okay.
She flew on you.
Yeah.
Daddy got the ladybug?
Yes. Is that? Is that?
You want that stick too? She flew off Daddy's finger. Where's she going?
Look.
Work? Or is she walking?
Walking. Let me see. Ladybug up the hill.
Up
Yeah.
the hill? She's going up the hill?
Move up the hill.
See you later, ladybug. Have a good day.
My ladybugs. Ladybugs.